Hey, Henry McClure live at First Watch, getting some good breakfast. And look who I run into. He's always here. Say hello.
Hello.
Hey, tell me about your business.
It's a locally owned business. My name is Lashad Terrain. I own DNA Fitness right behind Target, 5907 Southwest 21st Street. It's privately owned, customized workouts. As long as you are willing to learn, I'm willing to teach.
All right, so what about the hours? I mean, can I get in on my own? Does it got a keypad, or do we always got to make an appointment?
It's appointment only for right now.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I have a Facebook page, DNA Fitness,
all right,
on Facebook, and then I also have a phone number and an email.
All right, so I'll find it and I'll tag it under this video. I just saw him last time I was here, and I wanted to say hello. So he's on the Henry McClure Live show, but let's get out and support our local people, man.
Yes, sir.
This is what we need to do in America and in Topeka, is we got to grow businesses. We don't need to give people jobs. You know, he has a job running his business.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Does that sound better?
Yes, sir.
All right. Henry McClure Live at First Watch.